Just a bit of eye candy here. My WII system running on my TV here in the lounge area. That's a fantastic system, absolutely wonderful. Anyway, that's not what we're here for today. We're here to help one of my viewers get the Amiga system up and running. Here it is, going through all the config files. There's the Amiga starting up, very famous game. That's Bubble Bobble running on the Amiga through my WII, just to show you that it works. Fantastic system and always willing to help keep the Amiga spirit alive. Okay, so what I've done is I've uploaded all my files to my Amiga account. So if you look in the description below, you will be able to go to the links which will download the WII folder. Now you'll have to rename this one. This is the core directory of the HD card. Right, so this, where is it? This one here, you'll just have to rename it to WII once you put it in the core directory. It's got a few little surprises for you in there, especially in the floppies. We won't go into that too much. Okay, so the one that is named WII1 goes in the core directory of your SD card. Then in the apps folder, you will put the one that is just named WII in here. Its whole folder as it is. Once you do that, you should have no trouble running the Amiga system on your WII, and it should be no problem. You might have to add an icon. That's all. You might have to add the icon. You'll figure that one out. If you don't, just let me know.